For a dude who works in the FTC, you're a very busy person with everything other than FTC. Well, who you talking about? Who you talking about?
That one, you was like, is it chill out there? I'm like, I thought it would be, you know what I mean? Well, 5-second rule. Yeah, it ain't like you say, PowerPoint. I mean, it's good to help. That's what we got 177. You know what I mean?
Like I said, I gotta make sure I don't want to
good. That's literally what they are.
You gotta whip it out. You can abuse these weapons. Alright. Maintaining the weapon in a safe orientation. At this time, I put the weapon on safe. Ensure the well is clear of all. I will load the magazine, maintaining the weapon in a safe direction. Double tap at the bottom of the magazine to ensure that the magazine is set well. Load my first round. Now I will bring the bolt forward by hitting the bolt release. I will tap the forward, making sure that round is seated. At this point, I put the weapon on safe and fire and I can engage. Bang, 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 bang. Now, at this point, I perform immediate action. Bang, bang, weapon clogs. I attempt to put the weapon on safe. I tap the bottom of the magazine, tap, tap. Make sure that there sits. I rigorously pull back many times on here until it seats. At this point, I ride that bolt forward, making sure that the round is seated properly, and now I can re-engage my target. Bang, 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 bang. Now, at this point, I will unload the weapon, putting the weapon back on safe. I lock that bolt to the rear. I drop my magazine, making sure that there is no ammunition inside of the well. Ready for inspection.
Alright, good. We're over 50%.
To up position. Press mag doesn't shoot. Pull it back. Inspect weapon. Drop mag.
Why would I be interested in AC-4? I have a rocket launcher on the back.
The javelin, like all this. Of course, the fucking people that are like.
Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah, no, I'm good on that one, brother.
Even though they're the same chassis.
Linear reverse, man, you got it.
See, that's not color left. How long you laughing at you, sorry? Oh man.
Up in the safe direction.
Oh well, no, I was trying not to laugh. I was trying not to laugh when I was like, we all look at you.
Safe fires.
I'm going to pull up the timer, and we will begin once you are ready. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Clear. Loading weapon. Weapon loaded. Firing. Firing weapon. Immediate action. Firing.
Same way you like to do.
Thanks. Clearing weapon. Sweeping. Weapon cleared.
So weapons on fire. Put it on safe. Undo bolt release. Look away. Open. Sweep. Close. Boom. Crack it back. Look away. Oh, nope. Low. Click. safe.
Now, bracket